Here I have SONY Xperia and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the screen that you would like to capture. In my case, it could be simply the list of settings. Let's assume that I would like to save this list, so all I need to do is use this combination of keys, the power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. You have to do it really simultaneously, let me show you. And that's it. Let's just hold down together power key and volume down for about 2 seconds, let me show you. And that's it. You can also use the second way of taking screenshots. Just hold down the power key for a few seconds and choose here screenshot. Let me do it again, press power key and tap screenshot. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do something with your pictures, with your screenshots, you can open the screenshot folder by using upper bar and by tapping screenshot captured. Or you can also accomplish that by using the apps. Here from the following list, let's choose album. Let's allow album to access media. And here you can find your screenshots. And now you can share, edit, delete or do something with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.